Abusuani komo e wo channel yi so ha say age politics avenue na Afenyo Markins ene honorable ewua aje bafo me no ka say Ghana Law Society ede wo mu akogina court a enye asem koto akra kirek se ne nsem a okeka edifa judge ho no ense emfata na onua mesraw se yemu ngura nsimnim abra TV SYZ news anchor ajemre na oboyin chiremu efasa ensem ya mekan hu hye no so am se aha age politics avenue yembo ngura nsemfo anim
na Ghana Law Society ade atwe Afenyo Markin irididididididi ene opani bi efre no honorable ewia aje baafo wabudu omienu akwakwagina court obedwafo anim se court no eni wo mo asem na yemiemia wo mo ehunu ensem no pobasibre said ye beye betumi aboa manije tumi akoso na Ghana Law Society GLS ena wode nsemi ede akwakwada Ghana Bar Association say asemi de wono masuko na ba bia esusu ade bode hono befa no wonfamfa manye yi omo se ya ne sen omo wo hono omo nkote a Afenyo Markin ebu mranimni anase wo bu judge animtia wabra omo mra omamma mra no enkasa omo kire se Legal Professional Act no ene legal profession professional conduct and etiquette rules 2020 LI 2423 can the pay esisudu ya say emamra nimini judge amani pabiala enkonkwagina court anase enkwagina bonten enkotietia judge pani anapiem pani anim amanim guase enka adwuma no na ba ne sa no a enye wo mo kyerese samra ni hihye nyina no Afenyo Markin ane bafo wia ani so amomakwaku gu omanim ase didi di judge attement said ya ene na Ghana Bar Association womramu yakwa homa so na ye ni General Secretary edema Ghana Law Society Sam atukwekwe etwetwe komo yewra anyuna mu akwaba.
Thank you very much.
Na umpomboko de
Onima mi huye pa
miura medase we de tie na sese mo se mo yire Afenyo Markin kwagina Ghana Bar Association anim wadawro makrata efiri mo ho mo na mo de aba na senti na mo gina so.
Yo medase good evening to you na the General Legal Council sem na wukano and the Ghana Law yeah petition
when you General Legal Council Ghana Bar Association there and also no a different group to some Ghana Law Society when you General Legal Council amode wo mukojina anim no
ampa.
Oh okay you mathematics
and Ghana Law Society a professional body just like Ghana Bar Association almost a professional body of lawyers and a Ghana Law Society is a professional body of lawyers. Now as lawyers we have been trained. We have been trained in a way and say your problem be your how be on matters of law. And now would case be court. Let's say you are not happy about the outcome of the case. There are legal procedures out to seek redress. A B is the fact that you can appeal the matter to a higher body to look at the substantive matter again so that you can attempt to overturn the decision. Now, if you are also not happy about the conduct of a judge in a matter too, you can also file a petition to the Chief Justice or even to the General Legal Council against the judge. It can be done. These are processes and procedures. And we lawyers, we know about these things. Now, the duty of young lawyers as officers of the courts and say, we are supposed to protect the independence and of the judiciary and not to behave in a way that will bring into disrepute, the judiciary that we all revere. And see, Afenyo Markin, if you can shamefully behave in this way, say, because you are not happy about the decision regarding a bill to abroad, you can go on and insult a judge and make disparaging statements about a judge. attitude be no. Now are we don't we always say that the law is in the bosom of the judge? And it's a judge exercising discretion on bail and granting bail, no. Let's say you're not happy, go and appeal it. And I say judge you behaving in a particular way. Now, who say it is unprofessional, there are redress procedures. But for you to come to court of public opinion in the name of partisan politics and insult the judge in this manner, using words as insensitive and all of that against a sitting judge, no, that should not be tolerated. Should not be tolerated at all. It is unbecoming of a lawyer. This is not the first time. In fact, this is the second time within 6 weeks of a month or so. Afenyo has gone wayward. And you know, only honorable, your friend is saying, EJB Bafo. And see, he issued statement. The Ghana Law Society, we issue statement to condemn the behavior, and we ask them to apologize, withdraw the kind of unprintable statement from here, and apologize. And we told them, say, if they don't do that, we will file a petition against them, our General Legal Counsel. And she want to me apologize. And Afenyo Ababiem to even do worse, challenging even the court, say they can cite him to contempt. Oh yes, sir. I say why you're arrogant to be. It is wrong. Now, if you are a lawyer who behave like this, sir, how do you expect the ordinary man on the street, and the reasonable man on the street, to behave against our judiciary? And we, the society, cannot sit down and allow Afenyo to be misbehaving. I think Ghana media and Afenyo, you were able to get within 24 hours Supreme Court judges to sit on a matter. On a day that judges don't sit, the Supreme Court doesn't sit. Because full says Supreme Court can decide on certain matters to sit and to make certain decisions. So we didn't do anything about it in the way that he's doing. If you look the case to Afenyo, you are not in the matter as a lawyer. You are not in the matter. You are a minority leader. And you are such an important person that you need not behave the way you are behaving. And we still say, under the professional ethics of our work, he has misconducted himself unprofessionally. And because of that, we have decided to petition the General Legal Counsel to sanction him. And that is what we have done. We didn't share the petition here, but we gave notice, say, we have petitioned the General Legal Counsel. And I believe, say, the General Legal Counsel will look at the substance of the petition and deal with him so that the public will not think, say, they can just wake up and denigrate the judiciary. Because if Afenyo is not sanctioned, what is going to happen is that ordinary person will feel, say, oh, they can also do the same. Even if a lawyer of his stature, they say, let me cast a wrong against a judge. Okay. He must be sanctioned. And we will follow it through and make sure, say, he is sanctioned.
As ordinary person, sabi yemete yache me contempt pen, say, maka say, omampeni ene ajaji for akweshia koye secret meeting. Ni yache me contempt wo hono. Say, asemi me trasia na yanka ho asemu a why na me nso metumi petition no ewo Afenyo die ya wadidi judge atem sanse me de mani judge atem o me kan se omampani no omakwa akohia koye secret meeting yese ma scandalize court ya chem contempt enti as a layman te said ye meti hei no se metwanya na obi anka hwe ankyere emranim ni Afenyo makina anamontuo ban se ye me anase layman bi o wabonte no anamontuo ban na oba advice se obeye.
Meaning a way is even more than scandalizing a court. Afenyo is bringing the entire judiciary down.
Wow.
His behavior, his misconduct, it is intended to bring the entire judiciary down.
Sure.
In the name of politics. And that should not be done. You see, we lawyers, we are trying to be very professional. And see, what the advice I can give you is that be rest assured. Say petitions now, the General Legal Council, they will look into it. And if you also feel as a Ghanaian, you also want to petition because you feel the conduct has scandalized the court, you can also petition the General Legal Council. In your case, court now invite you.
Yeah. Me case no yes samame like your man penny na samame say one ajaje for kosia ko secret meeting enti te say we say ya abase no
you
yeah
on the foundation of contempt,
yeah,
and the court by themselves can also do that, you know.
Okay.
And now somebody can
they can also do that to Afenyo, or someone can also petition maybe is it the Chief Justice or any other person say me share lawyer Afenyo na asema waka no a me susu say was scandalize the court na so obu court na MTNT monto mon samfre no. Can that one be possible?
That is exactly what we have done.
Oh, okay.
And so what we did, the General Legal Council, the chairman of the General Legal Council is the Chief Justice.
Oh, okay.
And so, or no, and I have petition, and the petition no echo it. And I issue statement says the AIA. So everybody, we are looking at the General Legal Council and the Chief Justice to make sure that they summon Afenyo and then Ewa Eje Bafo, who are all members of Parliament. And we behave the way they
Obi we say ye twemu case no ana court no and say General Legal Council anka ho hwe a ordinary laymen na ye wo mu no yenso ye betumi de ye ho agimu say judge eka sa yenso ye betumi aka say de ye wakan ye nkwase asem and ye betumi ye repeat the same Afenyo in the west no e de ama a judge fo no saa because obi o ye lawyer wakasa ye mfi no a ordinary yes you to me repeat this about leadership by example no I can no to me and say
because you see that is not a good way, it's not part of rule of law to insult the judiciary and the judges. It is not part of rule of law. What is rule of law is to disagree with a judge, and when you disagree you can appeal, or you can also file a petition against a particular judge that you feel has misconducted him or herself. But you cannot take the law into your own hands, go on social media or go on air and be insulting the judiciary or be insulting a judge, and by so doing scandalizing or bringing the entire system into disrepute. I will not advise anybody to do that because that is a bad attitude. That attitude of the behavior and the conduct of Afenyo and the world, nobody will endorse that. And I can assure you that they will be invited to the General Legal Council based on our petition. And then I finally we will follow up. You can call us and find out updates and all of that, because the media and then the Ghana Law Society should all come together to follow up on the decision to sanction these two irresponsible MPs. Is that in fact Ghana Bar Association, Afenyo any Ewa AJ Bafo, they belong to the GBA. The GBA came out today to, condemn what Afenyo did. Although it is late, because the last time he did the same thing, they were silent. Now they have just come to condemn. It's okay. We commend them. But I think that they should even go further. Because Afenyo license, I believe, is not qualified to practice as a lawyer. Because if, as an officer of the court, you can behave this way to judges, when would you want to go to them and ask them of anything in the nature of release for your clients after insulting them, after bringing them down? So this man doesn't deserve to have a license to practice in this country. So it's shameful, and we feel scandalized by his behavior.
Okay. Yura, you better ask near the sea na mwasha see the besi bi anso no from time to time. You better so about nchen ya baby bisa the sea. Yeah, that's you. Adofo we General Secretary Sam Atukwekwe Edema Ghana Law Society. Etimranimfo no amonso pass out nansen no eya momon modern na mon join this ekuo no Ghana Law Society na eyekuo kese pa ya aloyafo animdifo ene wom. Ewom se aloyafo ye mo mu dewro ye nya advert say we de ne ye ntibadwan ne mum ye tie kire de hu de ye ya eye etimu so betumi akwadwan ne nuoma etumi akoso afenyo ma case no ye bekoso de kire ma de besibi ya no ye de bebrem
ya to na ya kuani man ya wasa ansam na mu na sadia lawyer eye Samuel atukwekwe ekase na mo hwese owura Afenyo makin baba bonti no kasa esa maka na mo menwemene enti ma pragu chopa ena esa medema ose for the whole sa chapa apology na mo hwe na ya de amono mo nsa beka ne beka na kira na ese eye sadia mbra no kanom wasan kura nso mode akopie mu o Facebook a wasan so ateten ne bi asan so de ama mo Ghana Bar Association ena fete se owura fellas kwachi ofosu se o maba bonten se de okan wankasa ye na wankasa o se wankasa ye san de okan de no a jese na kura san so to bomba eno kura anu odin papa o se se de ansam no ekono na se o mo kire pass court no se o san komutimi ama document bi ba bonten na so mo delay sa eye court ruling na efa abro ye case no na se na ba bonten no beka no wura eye kwachi ofusu ni nipa bia sori so mra me pacho on pacho na mpacho chena na se se de okan be bi ogina no ehwa na ogina bekoso no defend se de ansam no ekose bia abro ya remind no na se yentimi anfa ne agina so ade ruling ni about no Ghana fo nya bi anhwe ankenkan nti o se dia ekone de se judge no o tena sam no so ne mpanyifo aka wunyina no se obi o ma anya adwuma se de se fata wakoso kura to se se bi judge no kura tena sam no so no se bi on sam fata se ye di ni die se fata se bi a judge no ye de ebema no na wasan so asese hu behia se ni manim ya no Chief Justice na face aya trofo ma judicial ana fe Ghana Bar Association kura no wo mode no monsambire mu na omohwe sa bronye na ya remind no wo besan so aba na onya ne fa hudi na timi aboante sadia na nde munyina ye ensam na fe na kase pa no ode be mamo oya mbranim ni oya mbranim ni obeka sam sadia na adwen kire no enti ene no asan so ede bi aba na nde so ru akwachi ofosu ne Ghana Bar Association so onte monsam no obeka so defend se be na Ghana ono ho adwem so wotie obi fa hudi so no ni nyina to no betimi atwa
ya twaso na Rafma de daso ya enaso na Ghana for mo hwe Felix Kwachi Ofosu GBA Association the second paragraph no na Honorable Alexander Afenyo Makin ena watchero we was a remind order was made 13th May 2026 today is 19th May 2026. Yesterday, the registrar told Abronye's lawyer the record book was still with the court. This morning, the story is that the court is certain. Can the Chief Justice or the Judicial Secretary intervene in this? Can the GBA treat this as an urgent matter and appeal to the Circuit Court 9 judge to release this or his ruling? This statement of Afenyo Makin watchero no etre say na dwemu ha jama onti krom ha yeti krom ha yade omampani e de asem de court am ye kodi asem no wie judge bua asem no wie ye obu asem no wie ye am ye ka say omampani ene na lawyer fo adifo edu so abom famra no mo se efe na
we ensama horo tim course watch no so mame ena was so jemre da sene so ba de ndia dombi edom ye ne onia ye besan ahia